Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to top up in CoinRabbit. Topping up on CoinRabbit means adding more collateral to your existing loan. And this is one of the most important actions you can take to avoid liquidation and keep your loan safe, especially when the market is dropping and you deposit extra crypto into your existing loan and thus lowers your LTV loan to value and it increases your safety buffer. In simple terms, more collateral, less risk. So open your browser. In the top there's an address bar, type down coinrabbit.io and enter it and tap on the My Wallet in the top right. Over here what you can do is go to your wallet on the left hand side again and go to your top up here and simply enter the amount, and you can also change the crypto here as well and go to this next and over here, and you can simply scan to this QR as well. You can go to this process and success and you'll find this awaiting deposits as well, and this address is valid only for a single transaction and do not send funds to it again, and repeated transfer may result permanent loss of your crypto. And that is it. This is how you can top up in CoinRabbit. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.